I don't have plans now. It doesn't hit. Probably time stop as well.
Kill us.
I'm killing you guys. It's useless people right here. Die all of you. Die all of you. Die. Okay, blue tether, blue tether.
Oh, green laser, green laser.
Okay, I'm gonna use Tyrene. Yeah, I'll just use Tyrene. We have to push it, I think.
You have to make sure that you hit them.
Yep, I'm trying here. Okay.
One more.
Oh, it's only me and the gun lancer left. What happened to the other people? Why did they die?
Wait, where did they all die?
I don't know.
Hit with a green laser. They got hit with a green laser.
5 stack alpha.
Oh, okay. Well, it's just me and like
It was in Nana or
and gun lancer, I guess. Chaos dungeon time. Rockers, man, rockers, hyper noders. Don't do buzzing anymore. Well, no matter where we go, we're buzzing anyway, right? No matter where we go, we're always buzzing.
If we use Inanna, we don't have enough time to kill this.
Yeah, it's too slow to like push it, so. And we don't have people anyway. Before I use Cillian, like people were already dead, so if I don't use Cillian dead, then it's yeah, we have like our.
You need to stay up. You need to stay until Master Gate is full.
Or like we just do the destruction ourselves.
And you have to push 15 bars as well.
We have, what time do we have? Oh my god.
You have 2.5.
Okay. Probably we're fine, I guess, maybe.
I think it's gonna be in range. But let's see.
Oh, farming Chaos Dungeon, man. Chaos Dungeon, Chaos Dungeon.
If you got hit with the laser, you got the stack.
No, you don't.
You don't?
Not as far as I know.
Just be like in the confirmation all the time so you don't push.
I'm working on it. These mobs, man,
I guess
killing my PC. The mobs killing my PC.
But you and Warlord is like different parties, so you don't have like.
We don't like help each other, yeah.
But Warlord is hella tanky.
Yeah, both of us are hella tanky. I think we're fine, probably.
It's fine, it's fine. He can tank the mob, so like the Kanima can like
I can like slowly kill all the mobs as like thing as I spin around.
He has a taunt, bro.
Yeah, just you just
Yeah, the taunt is actually saving.
Oh yeah, you can do it. Definitely.
Oh yeah, dude.
But you have to stay
Chaos Dungeon bus, man. Chaos Dungeon bus. This is like what I've been doing like every day right here. You guys see me like bussing Chaos Dungeon on like a dream right here. That's training for this. Oh, I'm fine.
Yeah, don't get hit by the thing.
Yeah, well, it's easier to say, dude. Thing is, like I'm in the middle of like a.
Don't die.
Just don't die.
I mean, I never got hit by this laser before.
Wait, what about like the gunners are dying or what?
Warlord,
Man, well, wait, you don't have like a pot?
you gotta hit the mobs.
I don't know if he does or not. So yeah,
You need to help the Warlord.
I'm working on it. I'm killing like I'm trying to hit like I'm trying to play everything at the same time.
Alright, good. Let's just like Connie finish it.
Wait, you all the pots already?
Huh? I have 3 still. For like the warlord probably, yeah.
Okay.
Where is Wei, dude? Why is Wei taking so long?
I think if you kill mobs, you get engaged. You kill mobs.
Do you?
Yeah.
No.
I don't think you did, but yeah.
No, you don't get it.
I'm trying to save Kanima, man.
I mean, Kanima can do it anyway. He just
Go,
solo
buddy.
like.
Let's go.
He's enraged right now, but I need to put it down. Is the thing.
Let's go, buddy.
Fighting.
I'm trying, man.
5 more bars. It's a mob like.
I don't think like, I need to be 12, right? I think I need to be 12, so.
No, you cannot.
He needs 5 bars still.
Okay.
Wait. Wow. Give it so far.
Look at this man.
I'm not sure if we get it or not. Oh, we get it actually. Oh my, we actually got it. Yeah. Okay, we actually get it actually. The Chaos Dungeon boss I do every day, man.
So
I guess when it's in range, maybe.
I don't know if it counts or not actually.
I don't know.
Yeah,
good job, man, good
yeah. Okay. Damn, that was a long one.
I thought that wouldn't work.
It was a long chaos dungeon right there.
Yeah,
It was a
same,
long
same.
chaos dungeon. Holy shit. I was so scared on that actually.
Ay, nakachikon na.
91.
Sabi,
Yeah, 31%. Hi.